Are you looking for a laundry solution that can keep up with the hectic pace of family life? Introducing the Onix 8kg vented dryer, designed specifically with families in mind. This appliance is not just a dryer, it's a reliable partner in managing your daily laundry challenges. Boasting a generous 8kg capacity, this dryer effortlessly accommodates your family's diverse laundry needs. It's perfect for those large loads of towels, sheets and everyday clothes, ensuring quick and effective drying for all fabric types. Say goodbye to the days of multiple drying cycles and hello to efficiency. With a versatile array of 12 programs, this dryer meets every drying requirement you might have. Whether you're dealing with delicate silks or robust denims, the precise settings ensure your fabrics receive the care they need, leaving them fresh, fluffy and ready to wear. Ease of use is at the heart of its design. The intuitive display makes program selection and monitoring a breeze, eliminating guesswork from your laundry routine. It's all about simplifying your day-to-day tasks, providing more time for what matters most, family. Maintenance is just as straightforward thanks to the conveniently located front lint filter. Positioned at the door opening, it allows for easy cleaning without the need to reach deep into the machine. Keeping your dryer in top condition has never been easier. The Onix 8kg vented dryer is more than just an appliance. It's a solution that brings ease and efficiency to your laundry days. With its large capacity and user-friendly features, it's the perfect addition to any family home, making laundry a breeze rather than a chore.